Hello and welcome to Someka Workforce Planning Excel template. This tool is a workforce capacity planning tool, and actually that helps HR teams and managers compare current headcount with the future staffing needs. And the template consists of three main parts. The first one is employee list. The second one is the core of the template, is the workforce planning, and then third one is the dashboard, which you analyze the departments and the supply and gap analysis and so on. So let's start with the main menu section, where you enter your departments, your positions, and make some small settings. First of all, your departments, these are entered here so that you can choose these department employees in order to keep the data accurate and in order to prevent the data discrepancy problems. So you can click on this plus button to enter more departments while you use the template, and also the same thing applies to positions, where you will assign these positions to the employee list in the relevant section. And also you can choose the select start month and select year. So in some cases you may want to change these settings as well. So let's start with the employee list first, and let's create a test employee here with some relevant departments and positions, and let's write today here, and let's leave the lead date empty and work type is, let's say, full-time. Okay, and I'm going to enter 50,000 here. So this is our test employee. And let's see how workforce planning works, because this is the core section of our template. So basically you have your departments, and in each department there are assigned employees here. So we see that for this year we are going to have 3 people for customer support. So let's choose customer support here, and we will see yes, here we see the supply is increasing. This is where you enter your demand, okay, for which department you are going to need how many people for each month in your planning. Then you have the supply. So as you see, when we change our departments here, it's automatically added to the relevant section in the supply analysis. And here basically you see the gap analysis. So for example, for customer support this year we are going to have, it looks like we have 1 more employee than needed. So by looking at these analyses, you may want to change your planning and also make some adjustments according to your recruitment policies. And also, lastly, on the dashboard section, you can see the part-time, full-time comparison, the number of employees, and for each month the gap analysis here. You can select specific departments to see what's going on and what is going to be happen in the following month by selecting here. Okay, thanks for watching, and check our other templates at someka.net. Thank you.